Hello everyone, I'm Emma and welcome to the January 2025 yoga challenge. This challenge will consist of 8 yoga videos and 6 breathwork videos. It will go on for a total of 14 days, so 7 days longer than last year's challenge. Now, once a year, I like to revisit the fundamentals, whether it's in my own practice or through a challenge. Last year, we focused on the fundamentals of some of the difficult intermediate skills, so arm balances, inversions, standing balances, and so on. But for this challenge, we're going to take one more step back. We're going to focus on the real fundamentals. Now, that doesn't mean that intermediate practitioners won't get anything out of this practice. These practices will feel more like my relaxing intermediate practices, however, with slightly less intense poses. However, if you're a beginner yogi, this is the perfect place to start if you're starting your yoga journey. This challenge will also combine with future challenges coming this year, so this is kind of like your fundamental building block that you can always come back to. And for even experienced practitioners, coming back to the fundamentals can help refresh and solidify the cues and the feeling of proper form when you're in those more difficult poses, or even when you're in your basic poses, and those can then translate to your more difficult poses. And these fundamentals also carry over to different kinds of movement, for example, weightlifting or just your general posture. Finally, if you're not even that much into yoga and you're just looking to get your splits or to hit a flexibility goal, then these practices are also a super good place to start. Okay, that's all for the introduction video. If you're ready to get started, then click on the next video in the playlist and I'll meet you there.